Sassy sisters! Welcome back to my channel. Now we're going to Tampere. We're going to Tampere and I'm gonna show you how it looks like here in Finland. Guys, ang ganda ng mga kitchenware nila dito. Tingnan yung mga stove. Ang social, kaso ang mahal. 900 euro, 700 euro. Grabe, pero ang ganda naman. Pag umuupa ka kasi dito, kasama na to sa pag-upa mo. So, hindi mo na kailangan bumili. Yun naman ang kagandahan. Although, mahal ang rent nila dito. Pero yung ano naman, yung quality naman ng nire-rent mo, okay. Maganda. Tsaka iba kasi yung personality nila, mahihain kasi sila dito. So normally, kung bibili ka ng gamit, check mo muna at kung sigurado kang bibilin mo, tsaka pwede magtanong. Although i-assess ka naman nila, kaya lang for typical Finnish, they are really shy. So, guys, this is what we will buy. Very small step ladder. And the good thing about IKEA, when you're buying something here, pwede mong picturean yung code. And then you go to cashier and get you the item. Ito guys, yung storage area where you will get your item. You just have to find your code and just get it from the storage. It's really huge.